Have you ever wanted to learn CW and just in time for field day? Well, you can, because the Long Island CW Club is pleased to offer focused field day CW training during the month of June. The sessions are open to all radio amateur operators. You don't need to be a member of Long Island CW to attend, and there is no charge for the training. I'm going to put a link to that announcement down in the description below. Hey, we'll take a fast look at a family photo. Here is the VK3IL paddle that you can buy on the ve6lk.com shop, the N6ARA tiny paddle, the Palm Pico paddle, the modern Morse, the West Clocks WW2 straight key, the Begali Traveler, the unique one-of-a-kind VE6AB straight key left to me by my great friend and silent key VE6 Alpha Bravo, and Vince's first CW key. Yes, it's a joystick, and yes, it works. If you need a W8BH Morse shooter, you can pick one of those up on my online shop. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. 73.